Hello and welcome to part 20 of the series Let's Make an RPG in Unreal Engine, a stylized RPG. In today's video we're going to make this concept. We will do the blockout of this concept. We did the concept in a couple of videos prior to this one. You can check it on the channel. Shameless plug. And in the previous video I worked on, the camera is too fast. I worked on this area here. This is the video prior to the previous video, so this one is number 18, and number 19, which is the previous video, I did this one. In this one we're going to focus on the final part, or the third part of the choice, the riddle choice, which is basically this one. This one is an important one because in the concept I planned for this space to have a big area over here, which when the character gets to the to this treasure chest, it's basically like a trap. They will activate a boss fight, a mini boss fight, but this boss over here is close to the strength of the actual final boss, and he drops an item that allows the player to be resistant, or partly hugely resistant, to the poison of the final boss of the dungeon. I hope you guys will like this one. If so, leave a like, and thanks for watching. Alrighty, now the video is done. So we have this level. This is the concept that was done prior. The character comes in from here, gets here, jump, holds the rope and swings onto the other side, swing, gets here, then go up to the dungeon boss lair. This is what I have done in this video. You can see that the level it's a block out, quite simple and stylized, exactly the way I want it to be. The character comes in here, goes there, swing. Instead of having only 2 swings, I put 5 swings so that this area looks a little bit more scary compared to in any other place in the dungeon. I can push this a little bit more up, actually. Yeah. So this one I added it just in order to test or to access the other side when testing the game, because right now I don't have the mechanic of jumping and holding the rope. If I test this level, here I am at I can show it here. I'm in the dungeon interior, which is this level over here. So from here, the player goes in. This door will be closed, by the way. So in 2 videos after this one, I will be doing some game mechanics like opening a chest, opening doors and things like that. This door will be closed. The character gets into here, he opens the door, gets in here, the level, of course, it will load, opens this door, gets in here, and then the door gets locked. So the character has to clear this level first before they are able to access the other part of the dungeon or go back if they want. So this part clears, you can see. The level behind here, it gets unloaded. That's of course by design, because the door will be closed and this level will have good performance if we unload everything. And if you also look at this part here, everything is unloaded. Sorry, everything is unloaded except lighting and the dungeon in down, which is this dungeon part, this level. We also have Desert Mountain that is still not unloaded. That one it will be unloaded either via blueprint or using a different method. So the character comes in here, they will trigger a boss fight when they open this the treasure chest. After fighting the boss, they get the item that the boss will drop. That item will allow them to have immunity for poison to fight the final boss of the dungeon. So they get here, they're just a tiny little fight. One creature, you will fight, defeat the creature, take another reward, and then go towards the swirling door that will be floating here. It's basically like a teleportation system. They get into that door and they will be teleported into the boss lair. And the boss lair is what we're gonna do in the next video. It will be all about making the block out of the boss lair. I can show the concept, which is right here. So this is the boss lair. This door is the door of the upper dungeon. I can show it here. It's this one, dungeon in up, and this door here in the middle, which is the in mid, which is the inner dungeon mid entrance, and the other one is basically this one, dungeon in down, which is located right here. When the character teleports, they will appear in front of one of the doors based on which place they teleported from. And that I will be doing that in the next video. I hope you guys liked this one, and I hope you're looking forward to the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, cheers.